We ready, Brandon? No. Good. That's good. I'm glad to hear it. We're pipe layers. Pipe layers. We gotta take this chuck out and put their chuck in and all that business too. So
I heard you say something.
So we better get to doing that. Brandon, you put too much water in it. Now everybody, all the concrete experts on YouTube are going to talk bad about us. Had to hold your concrete up. I think we'll be all right. We don't have a choice.
Yeah, we're just going to have to do this.
Oh yeah, we got a good driver. Uh-huh. Did we miss bigger? He went a long ways. If he had 7, we're only gonna need 3. Finish that. Whew. Should have put this on Brandon's head.
Oh, yeah?
The camera. I guess it don't. It looks pretty smooth. There's. Oh, somebody didn't wash these off. I blame Brandon.
I don't think I needed a file.
Well, that was his chute, wasn't it? I blame Brandon for these come-alongs being so dirty. Get her? Broom it in about 10 minutes. That's
Before we leave,
go to the bar.
Before we leave, I want to fill this hole up with sandbags so water don't get under it. And maybe that one over there, put one in there too.
Probably strip this in an hour.
Build a dam back through there.
You know what?
Huh?
Probably strip this in an hour.
Yeah. What time is it?
Rick Thomas Concrete would strip it
11 yet?
today. It's growing pretty good. It's dry enough down here. It don't really need clean too much. You guys watch
Looks
Rick
like your broom's off.
1/4 inch.
Yeah, probably. More than that.
You guys watch Rick Thomas Concrete. We'll fix it. What do I gotta do?
No, I think you're alright. It looks good this way. I think it's just because of
The crook in the driveway.
looks good this way.
I feel like I'm going straight.
Yeah, if you look at it from over here, it's like, oh. I think it looks good.
Broom it all again.
Yeah, at an angle.
Why is there always something in the way?
Them dope holes we call it in the morning.
I guess technically if you get paid to do something, you're a professional.
We ain't got paid yet.
I wouldn't pay us. Is this exactly a certain width?
Yeah.
What is it?
17.3.
That's not exactly.
Huh?
That's not exactly.
What?
17.3 is not exactly. Either
What'd you ask me?
width. The width. Is it exactly a width? So cutting our joints would be easy.
Yeah, 17.
17,
3 and a half.
17, 3 and 5/8.
Perfect.
Perfectly the 17, 3 and 5/8. How'd it come up 17.3?
That's what the other one was.
Really? That's kind of weird. I don't think it's gonna rain. Do you?
I think it's pretty well done.
We had to run the wipers, but that's about it. Like once. Oh. Yep. Let's see here. Don't need this on. Man, those dingers are loud in these trucks. It smells like cigarette smoke in here. Turned around here. Locks right on there. We are gonna go saw cut that driveway. Get cleaned up around it. Put down a little seed and straw probably. I'm guessing. Brandon's in the wrong spot. We forgot we had to load the straw first. Or the straw, the saw. So we're gonna swing around here, grab our saw, walk behind saw. I think we'll probably make 5 cuts. I think is what it's gonna turn out to be. Yeah, so we're gonna get loaded up and grab the trailer for the skid steer, and then I'm probably gonna grab the dump truck and the trailer to haul the Mini out of there, because we'll be done after today.
Spray it off. Yeah, but we don't have any more blue stuff.
And I was gonna bring my leaf blower. It's in my truck.
She got one in there?
Got a weed eater. I bet there's a leaf blower in there. There's an air compressor in there. I don't see one.
What?
You gonna cut uphill?
What?
So you ain't gotta make a start and stop?
Don't tell me what to do.
I didn't. I asked you a question. You're getting really defensive.
Yeah, I'm gonna go uphill.
Okay. It's just a question. Is it? Was he like this on the way in?
Don't go up here after all the hard work's done. Ask questions like that.
Can you type?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
That's tight.
I have a skill. I can type.
I can type too, Brandon.
Mavis Beacon taught me. What do you turn the hose off for?
Too bad.
Why'd you turn the hose off for, Brandon? Looks pretty good. Those little garden hose things are not very good.